What's your face? What's your face? Oh, dark pugs. What's your face, Sean Bun? Little roly-poly. Can't stand, but so we'll try to get what we can get. Hi, baby. Where did we go? Whoops. Come on, sweetie. Go away, Brandy. Here, let's see if you can attempt to stand. See, I just can't do it. Yeah, let's do it this way. Show how thick you are anyway. Here, Mommy. Where'd you hear Mommy? Look at sweet girl. Got little short stubby legs. Your little short stubby legs. I don't know if that's gonna work. I can't get you to stand. No, I can't. That's your thick baby. You're just a thick girl. Oh, you want some bottle? Don't you want some Mama's bottle? There you go. Look at Mommy. Hi. You look like your daddy, don't you? She's got a flat face. I wish she could hold herself up to see. She's fairly... Well, it's not showing well on here, but she's not long at all. Let's see, maybe if you could see her. See, until you stand, it's just ain't gonna work, is it? No. My sweetie. You're just trying. You're trying, aren't you, Pumpkin? No short tail. Hi there. Hi, baby. Hi. You give up. I just pure give up. No. You just pure give up, don't you? You should get your little roll. Is that showing? There we go. Now you get some light. There, how's that? Okay, get good light in here with you. Sweet girl. Here we go. Aw. That's your sweet girl. She's 2.5 weeks old. I'm just having a hard time deciding what she's going to look like. Okay. Okay, bye-bye.